Learn English daily.
James, before I had come here today, I had found this old letter at the bottom of a drawer in my attic. It had been addressed to you, but I had never sent it.
Really, by the time we had left college, we had already drifted apart. I never had realized you'd written to me.
It's strange, isn't it? Life had taken us in such different directions, and yet here we are. I had always regretted not having sent this letter.
What had inspired you to write to me back then?
Well, after our last argument, I had felt the need to explain myself. Everything had happened so fast, and I had thought writing would help me articulate my feelings better.
I had often wondered about that day. We had been such good friends, and then, just like that, we weren't.
Yes, by the time our paths had crossed again today, it had seemed like a lifetime had passed. When I had discovered the letter, memories had flooded back, and I had wondered if you'd still remember or if time had washed away our shared moments.
Believe me, Anna, even though years had gone by, not a day had passed when I hadn't thought about our college days. I had always wished we reconciled.
Me too. After I had written the letter, I had kept it with me, hoping that someday we'd bump into each other. And today, when I had seen you here, it had felt like fate.
Had you ever tried reaching out online? By the time social media had exploded, I had hoped you'd find me.
To be honest, I had. But every time I had thought about connecting, memories of our argument had stopped me. It had seemed like you might not want to reconnect.
Oh, Anna, if only I had known about this letter earlier, things might have been different. We had wasted so many years.
Yes, but now that we have found each other again, I hope we won't let our past hold us back. We had been the best of friends, and I believe that bond had never really been broken.
I agree. Even if we had made mistakes in the past, today offers a new beginning. You know, I had kept a picture of us from our graduation day. Every time I had looked at it, I had felt a pang of regret.
I'm glad we have both held on to memories of our friendship. It proves that despite everything, the bond we had shared was genuine and strong.
You're right. Even if we had been separated by time and misunderstandings, our history had remained intact in our hearts.
Here, take this letter. Even if its contents had been penned long ago, they're a testament to the connection we had shared. It's time you read what I had written.
Thank you, Anna. By the time this day ends, I hope we will have started a new chapter in our story.